So in this session we are going to see one of the very important problem which actually came in the GATE exam as well. So the question is actually belongs to the sign bit representation of complement form. So see here the question is 2s complement representation of a 16-bit number is actually given, which is FFFF. So which is actually 2s complement representation of a 16-bit number. FFFF is obviously, if you represent, it is a 16-bit number. Out of how to represent it, 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So this is 16-bit. Out of 16-bit, it told one sign bit. So this will be obviously a sign bit. And this is actually 2s complement representation of a 16-bit. So what is this? This is actually that remaining 15 bits are actually 2s complement form of actual binary number. Okay, so what you have to do here is asking to you, you have to find out its magnitude representation. Means you need to find out what is actual binary value and its magnitude, not with the sign bit. Do you understand? So what you have to do, if you can compare the 2s complement representation of a sign number, the sign bit will be there, and 2s complement form of actual binary number will be there. Okay, so what you need to do here, if you compare these two, your sign bit is 1, so obviously it's a negative. Remaining values are actually in the 2s complement form, but you don't need 2s complement form. You have to find out the magnitude of actual binary number. In order to get here, you remember, in order to find out the actual binary which is actually in the 2s complement form, what you have to do? You have to make 2s complement of 2s complemented binary value. If you can do 2s complement of it, then that is actually your actual binary value. So see here what I can do now. So here it is 1, I will keep it as it is. Here first what I have to do, I have to find out 1's complement of, so I have now 1 1 1 1 4 ones. So see here what I am going to do, 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, and this bit is actual sign bit, which is nothing else, negative. Okay, negative sign. And remaining what I have to do, I have to find out the actual binary value. For that what you have to do, I have to do 2s complement of this 15-bit ones. So for that first you have to do the 1's complement, leave the negative, just make the 1's complement, which is all zeros, just interchange 1 by zeros, then make the 2s complement to get the actual binary value. So in order to get the 2s complement, what you have to do? 2s complement, what you have to do? Plus 1. So which is nothing else, 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, and this is negative. So what is my value now? Minus 1. Now he is asking the actual binary value, which is the magnitude representation. What is the magnitude representation of it? Magnitude is 1. So answer is 1. So this is very important question for the GATE perspective point of view. Now if you can change the question to, let's say, instead of 2s complement, it is 1s complement form. So let's say 1s complement representation of a 16-bit number, 1 sign bit and 15's magnitude bit is FFFF, its magnitude response. What is its magnitude response? You can say what is its magnitude representation. So as you know that for ones complement, what is the so for ones, again the same thing, FFFF, it's 16 ones. So ones complement representation is what? So this is ones complement form. Okay, so this is also ones complement representation of sign magnitude is ones complement of the actual binary number. So what you need to do here, you have to, in order to get the actual binary value, you have to make ones complement of ones complemented binary value. So here what you need to do, first this one is actually the sign bit, keep as it is minus, remaining you have to just get the ones complement of 15 ones, which is 0 0 0 0. So what is the actual binary value here? Minus 0, and it's asking magnitude of minus 0, which is 0. So 0 is actually the answer. Okay, all of you understand? So if it is ones complement represent a 16-bit number, then the actual binary value of the magnitude is 0. If it is 2s complement represent 16-bit number FFF, then it's 1. Okay, one can also give the question this way. This is actually signed magnitude representation of a 16-bit number. Then what you need to do? If it is signed magnitude representation of one sign bit and magnitude representation of 16-bit number, which is FFFF. So as you know that FFFF, which is 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So obviously this is sign bit and remaining 15 bits are actually binary bits. So this is sign bit. This is 15 bits of actual binary value. So what you need to do, we know that how to represent sign magnitude representation. Okay, you can represent using sign bit with actual binary. Okay, actual binary. So sign bit is nothing else 1. Here it is written 1, which is negative. Actual binary is this one, exactly as it is. So what you need to do, you have to find out this way. Okay, you have to find out the place values for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, you have to find out like this from here. 1 into 2 to the 0 plus 1 into 2 to the 1 plus 1 into 2 to the 2 plus 1 into 2 to the 3 plus 1 into 2 to the 4 plus 1 into 2 to the 5 plus 1 into 2 to the 6 plus 1 into 2 to the 7 plus 1 into 2 to the 8 plus 1 into 2 to the 9 1 plus 1 into 2 to the 10 plus 1 into 2 to the 11 plus 1 into 2 to the 12 plus 1 into 2 to the power 13 plus 1 into 2 to the 14. Whatever answer will come, that then you have to take the magnitude of it to get the final value. So this is the way you can get a sign magnitude form. If the question is given, you can get the actual binary value magnitude this way.